How to start playing Decentraland. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can play Decentraland. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm just simply going to go ahead and search for Decentraland. So once you've searched for Decentraland, this should pop up the first link. Welcome to Decentraland, decentraland.org. So simply just click on it and you will arrive over here onto their website. So pretty much this is it. This is how it looks like, and you can go ahead and start playing it by clicking on this button right here. So you can create, explore, and trade in the first ever virtual world owned by its users. So it's pretty simple and it's pretty neat. Now we'll just simply have to click on the get started button over here to get started, as I said before. Now in order to actually play the game, you will need to, however, um, need a couple of things, but we'll get into that a little bit later. But as you can see, it's right now it's asking me to download the beta version. Currently it's not in the its alpha form, so we're going to go ahead and download it in, and once it's downloaded we will begin and move on to the next step. All right, now that it's been downloaded and I've also installed it, I'm just simply gonna click on finish and we're gonna run this system. But before we do that, we just need to do a little bit of things over here. So basically what we also need to do is we need to also get a MetaMask account, because that is the way that we're going to be able to make trades and stuff like that. So let's just go ahead and play the game and see if it actually asks us to you know create a MetaMask wallet. If it doesn't, we'll just move on. So over here, here it is. So I'm just simply going to run it as an administrator. All right, so as you can see, this is how it looks like. Let me just full screen it. There we go. So as you can see, it's asking us playing using the wallet or play as a guest. See, this is what I was talking about. So if we want to continue with the wallet, we'll just simply click over here, and then we have three basic options. So MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and Coinbase. Now it all depends on you, whichever one you choose. But for me, I'm going to be choosing MetaMask. So if I choose MetaMask, we need to go ahead and scan the QR code, or we can just quickly jump over to the desktop, and then we can go with either one of these options, right? Choose a preferred wallet for your desktop. But if you don't have a MetaMask, but if you already have a MetaMask wallet, just scan the QR code with Wallet Connect compatibility. Now for this, you're gonna have to go over to your smartphone and just download Wallet Connect, and you should be good to go. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and do this, and I will catch you guys in a second. So as you can see, currently I'm downloading the Trust Wallet, right? And I've also downloaded the MetaMask account over here. So what we'll do is just simply open it up and we'll create an account with it. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. So we'll just get started and we'll just go ahead and create a new wallet. And over here, we'll just simply enter in the password for our new wallet. I don't know if you can see this screen. Usually what happens is in, cryptocurrency wallets, if you try to, go ahead and screen record apps at certain places, the screen is going to be blank. So don't worry about that. You just have to open up your app and do as it says. Don't have to worry about that. And then you just simply have to, enter in your secret recovery phrase. Basically, they're going to be like 12 keywords that you have to use, right? They're going to be your secret recovery phrase that you have to use in order to log into your MetaMask wallet. 10, 11, 12. Grape, crisp, local, capital, plus. Local, super, twist, rifle, web, air, plus. And then you will see, congratulations, you have completed your MetaMask account. So that's pretty much done. We are good to go. Then we can just simply go ahead and scan the then we can go ahead and just simply scan the QR code. So simply click on the button at the top right corner and you are good to go. Or what you can do is you can go ahead or what you can do is you can go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet account and you can connect it with this. So this is also pretty cool method. So if you already have one, you just simply click on I already have an account, and then just simply go ahead and enter in and sign in. But if you don't have one, you can go ahead and create a new account. And then once you have created an account, you are good to go. Then all you just simply have to do is just simply log in. Simply come over here onto the setting, click on Wallet Connect, And over here, you can make a new connection. So again, just simply, scan the QR code of your Decentraland application. And as you can see over here, it's asking me to connect. So I'll just simply click on the connect button. And as you can see over here onto the computer, it's just waiting for the instructions. So we just have to sign the, you know, the transaction on our phone, and we are good to go. Once we have signed the transaction, we can start playing Decentraland. So currently it's getting everything ready. And once it's readied up, we are good to go. So over here, as you can see, we just simply have to go ahead and create an avatar. So as you can see, we already have some pre-made templates over here. You can choose the head, the top, the colors, and all of that. So choose a skin color if you want to. It all depends on you. Go with the head, the shape of the head, like, the hair color, the eyebrows, the eyes, the mouth, the facial hair. It all depends on you. As you can see over here on the right side, we can see the hairstyle. So you can go with that one. But yeah, I think this looks good. Then we can go with the eyebrows as well. Choose a type of eyebrow you want. You know, go with the anime style. I think that looks cool. Go with the eyes and go with these eyes or this eye or lazy eyes as well. It's really weird, but it's really fun as well. But yeah, I think this looks good. I don't know how she can see in those, but yeah, we're gonna go with this one. And then we have the facial hair as well. We can give her a beard if we want. Then we have the type of clothes we want. We have aprons, we have shirts, a bunch of different ones. We have bottoms over here. Choose whichever one you like. And once you've done that, just simply click on the done button and you are good to go. Then you can enter in your name and the email over here to actually go ahead and subscribe to their newsletter if you want. But yeah, pretty much that's it. Then we'll just simply click on next and then agree to their terms and services, and we are good to go. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. I had to lower my graphics because I couldn't record the gameplay, but hopefully I think this time it's working. This is like the second or third time I'm actually recording this gameplay. But as you can see, this is how it looks like. This is how it runs. And it's a very fun game, I do have to say. So pretty much that's it. Just simply follow these steps to download the game and connect your wallet and then start playing it. So pretty much that's it. That is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.